Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video I will be showing you how to make Origami Greyson plane. Guys, it's a very famous model and you may have heard about it. So in this video we will be making this. Guys, its flying is very smooth, and at the end of the video I will show you how it flies, make a test video, and hope you love it. So for this model you will need an origami A4 sheet, but this is the origami A5 sheet, half of the A4. Okay, so I'll be using this for this video. Guys, I hope you will like my content, and if you do, so make sure to give a like, subscribe, and share to your friends. I will be of like. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to fold from here to here. Like this. Now open the paper sheets, and now I want you to make it like this, and make sure and align this with this, and align this fold with this line over here, so both of them will be in the middle. So after you're done, now the next step is to align this in the middle and align this in the middle. So both of them will be in the middle. Make sure that they are straight, the tip is pointed. Now same from here. Now after you're done, I want you to take the tip of this, and it will come till this point over here. So almost like till here, it will be fine. And by turning over the sheet, turning over the model, you can see that the properly line, this line will be aligned with this line till here, and now crease. Turn it over and make a proper crease. So your paper will look like this. After you're done, the next step is to turn this flap back and make sure that this point, the crease, will be in line with till here at the end of this, and they will make an intersection point. And also make sure that they are all in line. So your model will look like this. The next step is to fold. You'll fold this inside and fold this inside, so that you do an inward fold. Same here. So after you are complete, turn this, fold this into half, and your plane will look like this. So after you're done with this step, now I want you to align this line till here and make sure that the tip is pointed. This will help in its flight. Turn it over and same from here. Open its wings and your plane will look like this. The next step is turn it over and open its flaps. And the plane will look like this. This is how we make Origami Greyson plane. If you like it, hope you enjoyed the tutorial.